Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku and Frogs Trading TV Daily FX Market Minute for the trading day ending March 31st. Firstly, US dollar Japanese yen, a bullish breakout above the Ichimoku cloud. The buyers have a moderate form of control. They've found some upside momentum today on the breakout, but we've only just closed above a flat part of the cloud, and we do need to be wary of breakouts from flat parts of the cloud. We want to see follow through to confirm that. We can sometimes have false breakouts, so we're looking for the market to continue with a higher high and a higher low. There is potential for this market to trade to resistance at 103.75. Next to the euro US dollar, a change of trend today, but on a spinning top candle. A lot of indecision in this market, finding resistance at the Kijun Sen, which is trading at 138. The Tenkan Sen is trading just below there at 137.90, so a lot of resistance overhead for this market. There is potential for the change of trend back to the downside, looking for strong support at 137.11. Bullish in that longer term time frame, but quite bearish in the medium and fast term time frames. The Chica span is not giving us any clear indication, so suggesting that there is a possibility of this rally not continuing. Aussie dollar US dollar, and following that very decisive move in the breakout above that zone of resistance and the trend up to 92.78, we've seen indecisive spinning top type candles for the last two consecutive trading days, and both have been rejected from at or beyond the 92.78 level. The market is testing that area. There is a possibility that if we see some solid bullishness in this market, we could trade up to 93.30. We do have a bullish market in all three time frames. The Kijun Sen is flat, so there is a possibility of price action being attracted back towards it, but solid support at 92.21. US dollar Swiss franc, and after the doji type candle, there was potential for a change of trend. We've seen that change of trend today, an indecisive spinning top candle, not the sort of candle that you want to see initiating a new downtrend, finding support at the 88.31 level and around the Tenkan Sen and the Kijun Sen. Possibility of this market trading to the upside, but strong resistance at 88.88, strong support at 88.31. Not a good market to trade until we see a breakout perhaps down below the support at 87.96. Aussie dollar Japanese yen, very solid bullish trading. The buyers are very firmly in control as this current candle is developing. It looks as though the market may go on with the move. We have taken out the high, developing as a spinning top type candle. A hint that we could see this market come off. This market is looking very overextended, and even the Tenkan Sen support is a long way away. Potential support around the 94.40 level and around the 94.60 level roughly if the market does come off. Just looking quickly at pound sterling Japanese yen, and here we've seen some decent follow through after the breakout above the Ichimoku cloud. We had all of that indecisive trading within the cloud, congesting with the market bound by the resistance at the top and the support at the bottom of the cloud. We had the breakout on a spinning top type candle, and now we have a bullish market in all three time frames. We saw some decent follow through today after that bullish candle. The buyers have weakened in terms of net momentum, in terms of the body of the candle being smaller, but the buyers are still in control. Now, there was potentially strong resistance at these previous highs, and we have closed just around that level, so we want to see some follow through, and the market can trade up to these highs at 173.55, but a bullish market in all three time frames. If the market does come off, look to strong support at the Kijun Sen at 170.64. Moving to the euro Canadian dollar, and after that strong sell-off that was expected, we saw the market finding support at the top of the cloud. The market has attempted to bounce off there, changing the trend to the upside today, so that's good for the buyers. But on a very indecisive doji candle, it suggests that there is much indecision and the buyers aren't as strong as they probably should be to initiate this new first time frame uptrend. There is great potential for the market to come off and change the trend back to the downside. 151.98 has held as support for today's trading. If we can trade through there, looking to strong support once again at the top of the cloud around the 151 level. If the trend does continue, there should be very strong resistance around the where the Kijun Sen and the Tenkan Sen are trading in the same area at roughly about 153.26. And the euro Japanese yen, a bullish breakout above these highs. where the market was finding resistance around the Tenkan Sen. Some decent follow through after a breakout above the flat part of the Ichimoku cloud, and this is what we want to see. We want to see follow through after that. The buyers have lost some commitment as they were testing around the 142.50 level. There is potential for this trend to continue higher, but the extent of the resistance is up to around the 143 level and then up to about the 143.50 level. If the market does come off, very, very solid support at the Kijun Sen, Tenkan Sen, and the top of the cloud around the 141.26 level down to 140.